Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Now if your Reels are not showing on Instagram, you might want to do a few things. One of the things you want to do is to go over to your App Store, search for Instagram, and our goal here is to see if there is an update pending. And as you can see, there's the update ready to be tapped on. So why is this important? Well, if your app is not up to date, you might be experiencing some lags and glitches, or it could malfunction. So you need to keep your apps up to date in order not to have such a problem. Another thing you could do if that's not the problem, maybe your Instagram is up to date, is to check your internet. So of course, you could turn off your Wi-Fi or cellular data and turn it back on. You could turn it off and wait for about 30 seconds and turn it back on after 30 seconds and see if it works. The last thing you can try to do is to go over to settings. You want to go over to general, tap on iPhone storage. Then our goal here is to look for Instagram. So we're going to tap on Instagram and we're going to choose offload app and confirm to offload the app. Our goal here is to try to reduce the amount of storage the cache has consumed or the app itself. The last resort, of course, is to delete the app completely and reinstall it again and log in and see if this solves the problem. One of these steps which we've provided in this video should work, as this is not a common problem, but if you do have this problem, you could try one of these steps.